if you participated in our week of updates, it's May the 5th, 2019 right now, and you have Cody 18, and you have the new optimized Mixplorer with Autotask in it. I'm going to be going over how to use this. This is super simple, guys. We just don't have any videos for it yet, but I'll just go ahead and hop into it. Click your Mixplorer application. And if you have an NVIDIA Shield, you're going to click the top right corner. It's kind of hard to see with this little green icon up here. If you have an Amazon Fire TV, you can click the menu button from anywhere in here. Just click your menu button and then click Auto Task. If you have 18, which is the one icon with the 18.2 on it, you're going to scroll down, and when you get to 18, go ahead and click it. We have this set up to where it's going to do a bunch of different tasks at the same time. Sometimes you'll get a pop-up like this, and it goes through and it tells you everything it's doing one by one. Other times it won't even pop up at all. It really doesn't matter either which way. I normally just scroll down and I click background right here. And I would recommend go ahead and knock out two birds with one stone. So we put all the apps that need to be updated, or if a person reaches out to us and says, hey, I'm having a hard time updating my application, we put them all in the request folder. So click that, and if there's an app in here that you use a lot, you can see the dates directly below the name of the application. Go ahead and install one of those or two of those. You can come in here and do it and just knock it out anytime, but you might as well. Eventually these updates are going to be automated to where it just does this every month, and you aren't really even going to know it's going on until it just pops up on your screen and says 240 files were copied or something like that. But there's also a section of the cloud now that is set up just for finding all your leftover app update, the APK files and things like that. So every time you have an automatic update for an application, that package goes somewhere on your device, and we have a little setup down here that's going to help save you a lot of time, so you can clean up your device, update your device, whatever you want to do. But this generally takes about 2 minutes. Just try to avoid opening applications. You want to stay in here. We haven't really tested that part of it that much on Fire TV sticks. We just know that Fire TV sticks, normally one application at a time is the max. So you don't want to be opening up too many applications. Just go ahead and update them and get those knocked out. Go ahead and on the left hand side, so see where it says find APKs. If I click on this, it's going to go ahead and search for APKs on my entire device. Normally this would take you like days, a month. See how it came up? 257 files were copied. That's every single link inside of my build right there. And you see how quick it is? We're at what, 3 minutes? But you can come up in here and you can clear things out if you want to. Like for example, I need to clear out some stuff out of my file links, but come down here and go ahead and grab some of these things. If it ends in APK, it's not a big deal. Zip files aren't a big deal unless they're like backup files for your cloud or something like that. Which, if we have anything like that, it's going to be in the please do not delete folder. So if you see please do not delete, simply just avoid those areas. But I'm going to scroll up to the top right corner. I'm going to click on this one. I want to make it permanent. Hey, there we go. Kind of hard to get it in there, but there we go. And see, see how fast I probably just cleared up about a gigabyte of space and got my build updated, and I still, it's just been around 5 minutes right now. That is ultra fast. we have this lined up to where it's going to actually go through and optimize your apps and add-ons. If you notice, my list is a little bit longer than yours. We actually have it set up now, and you'll see the testing folders in the cloud drive itself, to where we're going to have these set up to where whenever we add an optimization, so if we change any settings in our add-ons, we're going to set it up to where the next time you go through there, it's going to do the same thing for your device and for your applications. So this is going to be a complete device, update that rolls through, just giving you everything that you need. And obviously, if you don't have those add-ons or anything like that, it might come up as a failed operation because there's just nothing there to replace it. So if you ever see failed or something like that just out of nowhere and you didn't do anything, it just means that, hey, you don't have the application that we're trying to optimize. So no big deal. When it says success, you do, and that's always great. That's as simple as it's going to be. Be looking for that beta 3 release probably, I would say, in about 2 months. We want to give this a good shakedown just to make sure we hit every single device for at least 20 to 25 hours before we roll this out. But that is that, my friends. Enjoy it. Reach out to us if you find any dead links at all in the build. You can literally just leave us a voicemail. You can send us a quick text or shoot us a quick email that says dead link, one click section, the name of the add-on, and we can go ahead and clear that up, and the next time you go in there, it's going to be cleaned up. We would really appreciate it, and that way we can improve our build and keep everything nice and spiffy for you. So if you run into anything you're clicking and it doesn't work, go ahead and just shoot us a quick, like, 1 sentence. Just tell us what section of the build it's in, so movies, what the name of the add-on is. You could say scrubs or whatever it is, and that's pretty much it. We'll be able to narrow it down from there. Do appreciate it. Be good. We do appreciate your business. Enjoy your weekend.